Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Vlad Usadi, and today we have a pretty awesome video for you guys. It is the top 3 ways to make money on Instagram in 2020 with tips and tricks. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video. It's pretty in demand right now. A lot of people are clicking on my first video ever, which was something on growing your Instagram in 2020. But this one's a little bit different because it actually goes a little bit in depth, and I'll show you guys the 3 top ways to make money with Instagram that barely requires any skill or time. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, leave a like. Hit that bell because it doesn't really alert you. So the 3 that I'm going to be showing you about is 1. Selling ad campaigns on your account. 2. Selling promotions for your products. And 3. Selling accounts and reselling accounts. Let's get into this. Alright, so selling ad campaigns on your account is really simple. It all requires you to start your own theme page or your own personal page and start growing it with a follow-unfollow method. That basically just means that you're following like 100 accounts per day. If it's a pretty old account, follow 150 accounts per day, and then unfollow all of those accounts at the end of the week, and then restart the 3rd week. So if you do that process, you'll get 1,000 new followers every single month. And when you reach 10 months with like 5 different accounts, this is when you can start putting in ad campaigns in your bio. You can start posting it regularly, and you can start inquiring other people about your rates. So pretty much what people will do is they'll respond and be like, let me barter. Let me do $10. No, I want $20. No, let's do $5. And so you guys will come to a medium and you'll make your own rates. People can put their posts on your page and you'll make money for it. So that's the first way. The second way, make regular posts about your rates. You can literally put it in one of your posts every single week. And this way, it'll both look like you're very consistent in your ad rates, and 2, people will actually see those if they're pictures and you consistently do the follow-unfollow method. You'll get a lot more impressions, and after impressions, you'll start getting more requests, and the cycle keeps going. The third one is to inquire other people about it, which is a little bit risky because sometimes Instagram does block this action if you do it to too many people, but I like to go to a ton of different business accounts and inquire about my ad rates because you never know. Sometimes they'll actually hit you up. The second way to make money on Instagram is selling product campaigns. So pretty much what you can do is hit up Shopify people and say, hey, I'll promote your new product on my page for 24 hours for this amount of money. Telling other accounts on social medias like Quora or Twitter or Facebook about your rates, and people will actually come to Instagram and show you their products and give you a barter, like an estimate of how much they would pay you to put it up there. So those are really good ways to sell product campaigns. That's the second way to make money. You can expect to make anywhere between $50 to $60 per post because a lot of people will just leave it up there, and depending on how many followers you have, you can actually get them some sales. It's not that hard. You could even do it yourself. Now the third way to do it is actually kind of risky because it's against Instagram's terms of service, and that is selling accounts. Now I see this everywhere. I see this on Bia Hez's page. These are just small YouTubers. I see this on entrepreneur pages. I see them on these really young people's pages that I don't even remember their names. But a lot of the point is a lot of YouTubers like to put videos on selling and creating accounts. But pretty much mine is a little bit different. You want to create your own account because if you create your own, you have more of the responsibility to grow it for free, and you don't have to put in an initial estimate for buying an account. So you're basically removing your liabilities in this case, which is buying the accounts. So if you were to simply grow the accounts on your own, maybe 5 at a time, you'll have 10,000 followers on each account, and you'll be able to sell each account for around $100, $150 every single month. So if you expect this kind of return on investment, you'll be saving a lot of money, and you won't need to flip pages by asking people to sell their account to you. You can look for small accounts on Instagram too and ask them if they want to sell it to you, as long as they have the potential to grow. Maybe they have some really good insights for that month, or they're getting a lot more followers this week. You want to let people know they're doing well and start complimenting them and ask them to buy their account, because in the end, it's all about getting the account that has the most insights and is the most popular. And then after this, you guys just want to rinse and repeat the process. And you can expect from all 3 of these methods, you can actually make a decent amount of money on Instagram. Now there's other ways you could do this, like you could open up your own Shopify store. I wouldn't recommend doing this because it costs an initial investment, and you would probably need to pay someone to create a site for you or to import stuff from Alibaba. But if you want to do this, you could also grow your own page and promote your Shopify account on your Instagram. So what you would expect maybe after posting to 10,000 followers is around $100 in sales. If you find 5 other accounts and they all had maybe 30,000 followers and you promote these on their page for $50, each 24 hours for each account. That's $150. You'll put in $150, but you can expect to make around $500 worth of sales. It isn't that hard in 2020 to grow a Shopify page, or a Teespring for that matter, but you just have to set it up properly and have really good products. Some good ways to find good products is to actually go on the trending for Alibaba and see what's selling the best on Amazon. And you just want to copy other people's process, because in the end, it's all about whoever can make the best product and get the most revenue. Anyway guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope I gave some insight on how to grow in 2020, because on Instagram there aren't many other ways unless you're willing to put in the money in the first place. You really just want to do the follow-unfollow method and just go and grow like as organic as possible, but not organic at the same time, if that makes any sense. But anyways, I hope you did enjoy these 3 methods and the reasons behind them. Leave a like if you did enjoy it, subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.